When you attempt to open a file in Word, chances are good that you will first have to pass through what is called the Backstage area. If that side trip bugs you, follow the steps in this quick tip to take a direct route to the traditional open dialog box. In earlier versions of Word, if you chose to open a file from within the program, it would display a traditional open dialog box. It hasn't been that way for a while, though. Now Word users see options to go to OneDrive or to network locations, and you have to click multiple times to get to the open dialog box. If this bugs you as much as it bugs me, there are a few ways that you can get to the open dialog box more directly. Plus, the methods are a great study in the quirkiness of Word. First, if you display the File tab of the ribbon and then click on Open, or you could just press Ctrl-O, it'll get you to this same point, Word displays the area that I mentioned earlier. This is the Backstage area. In the Backstage, click the Browse link and you'll see the traditional open dialog box that you may be used to seeing in older versions of Word. In other words, one click in the Backstage and you are where you want to be. To make it even quicker, you can use a different shortcut key. We'll get out of this and get back to the document. All I have to do is use the shortcut key Ctrl plus F12, and that jumps me right to the open dialog box. In other words, I bypass the Backstage completely. If you prefer the traditional Ctrl plus O shortcut, you can tell Word to make it work like it traditionally did. Start by displaying the Word Options dialog box. And at the left side of the dialog box, you want to click on Save. It is this option, Don't Show the Backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts, that controls Word's behavior when opening or saving a file. I'm going to go ahead and select this option and then click on OK. Now the Ctrl-O shortcut works just like the Ctrl plus F12 shortcut. It displays the open dialog box immediately. I want to go back to the Word Options dialog box here, and we're going to go to the Save options again at the left side of the screen. And I want you to pay attention to the wording in this option that I just selected. The wording specifically says, with keyboard shortcuts. This means that this configuration setting only affects the behavior of the shortcut keys. Displaying the File tab of the ribbon and clicking Open still displays the Backstage. However, you can add the Open tool to the Quick Access toolbar if you want to. Again, start in the Word Options dialog box. That's where we are right now. But this time, we're going to check Quick Access toolbar right here. Note that Popular Commands is chosen up here, indicating which command should be displayed below that option. What I want to do is go through here and I want to find Open. These are in alphabetic order, so all I have to do is go down and choose Open, and then I'm going to click on Add, and that moves it over to the right side of this dialog box. Now when I click on OK, note that there's a new icon within the Quick Access toolbar, and this icon is used to display the traditional open dialog box. It will only do this, however, if you went through the earlier steps to don't show the Backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. If you didn't select that, then clicking the open icon would take you to the Backstage area, which is what you don't want to have happen. Like I said, the fixes for bypassing the Backstage and getting directly to the open dialog box are a great case study in the quirkiness of Word. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.